In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a formula in Smartsheet. To get started, open the Smartsheet sheet that contains the formula you want to update. Before making any changes, it helps to quickly review the sheet so you understand what the current formula is doing and where the result appears. This gives you a little context and makes it easier to avoid changing the wrong cell. Once you're in the correct sheet, click the formula cell you want to change. Make sure you select the exact cell that contains the formula, not just a cell with a similar result. When you click it, Smartsheet will display the formula so you can work with it directly. Taking a second to confirm the selected cell can save time and prevent mistakes. Next, move to the formula bar and edit the formula there. This is usually the easiest place to make changes because you can clearly see the entire formula in one line. If the formula is long or includes several references, go slowly and read through each part carefully. Small changes like adjusting a bracket, a column reference, or a condition can affect the final output. Now update the parts of the formula that need to change. This might mean replacing column names, modifying conditions, or adjusting the calculation itself. For example, you may be pointing to a different column than before, changing the criteria used in an IF statement, or updating how totals are calculated. The key here is to keep the formula structure intact while only changing the portions that need to be revised. When you're done editing, press Enter to apply the formula. Smartsheet will recalculate the result based on your changes. If there's an error, don't panic. That usually means there's a typo, a missing parenthesis, or a reference that no longer matches an existing column. Simply reopen the formula and review it carefully. If the updated formula should be used elsewhere, copy it to other rows as needed. And if the same logic should apply to an entire column, you can convert it to a column formula for consistency and easier maintenance. That can be especially helpful when you want every new row to follow the same rule automatically. Finally, check the results to make sure the formula works correctly. Compare the output against the data in the row and confirm that the calculation or condition behaves the way you expect. A quick review at the end helps ensure your update is accurate and ready to use.